Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena from OlenaRosanne. If you're ready for another hair video from me, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and then get ready for one coming up next. Okay, Roses, so today I'm going to go ahead and do a super simple, maybe a braid out this time. Yeah, braid out, because my hair is already dry underneath here. I'm going to rehydrate it with a little bit of the high maintenance herbal hair growth tea that I have in here. And then we're going to go ahead and get into the star of today's show, and that is the shea butter that has hemp seed oil from onjaishea. So let's go ahead and do this. This is my hair. It's dry. Ooh. Yeah, it's dry. Okay, so let's go ahead and rehydrate first. This is a moisturizing sealant, and it will protect your hair from dryness and breakage and promotes hair growth. And I'm all for all this. There's no silicones, parabens, mineral oil, dyes, petroleum, or sulfates. And the ingredients in this, just in case you were wondering, is shea butter, hemp seed oil, coconut oil, rosemary oil, and jasmine oil. So this is rehydrated enough. Here goes the hair butter. This is thick because it is a sealant, and because it is a sealant, I'm not going to be using any other oils except for on my scalp. That's what it looks like. Thick. Go ahead and coat my hair with this, especially those ends. That's where I need it at the most. The oldest part of the hair. Work that through there. And I guess we're doing braids today, y'all. So this will be a braid out. Make sure you're following me on Instagram so you don't miss what the results look like day after day. As you can see, I can easily work my fingers through my hair. My hair is soft, moisturized, and now all that hydration and moisture is sealed in thanks to this hair butter. And just so you know, there's not a strong smell of hemp in it. I think it was diffused a little bit with the rosemary oil that's in this and shea butter. So you don't have to worry about a super strong smell. It just smells natural, but it doesn't stink, in case you were wondering. My hair is very, very soft. And let's go ahead and put another loose braid in. And I'll finish the rest and I'll be back. Okay, Roses, my hair is done. I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 braids. So my hair is nice and soft, moisturized, shiny. My ends are curling the way they should. So we will see what this braid out looks like tomorrow. Hi, Roses, I'm back. It's the next day. I believe my hair is dry, so let's go ahead and take this down and see what it looks like. Let me start off with some oil. is there. This is day one, a day one braid out using the onjaishea hair butter with hemp seed oil. I'll go ahead and leave the information for her website in the description box. Just so you know, hemp seed oil is not the only type of oil that you can have this butter infused with. There are other choices as well, so check it out. Support a small black owned business. And other than that, roses, I'll talk to you later. Bye.